Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we are going to do a look with this Orange You Glad palette from ColourPop. This is what the palette looks like on the inside, and I'm just so excited to dive in. So, yes, it's gorge. It's absolutely gorge. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I got my face all prepped with everything except for my eyeshadow and my mascara. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go into this shade right here and see what it looks like on our eyeballs. I could use this little mirror in here if I can get the film thingy off of it. This is not meant to be. Do you ever wonder sometimes, is this a setup? Well, I guess we're not gonna use that here. Alright, so let's just keep kind of putting that into our crease and blending up as a transition shade. Because I'm going to get pretty bright with this look. Yeah. It is a wonderful rainy weekend here in the VA. One rainy day. But I did go to the post office, and yes, we're gonna have to do another Confessions of a Shopaholic. We'll get to that later. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into this shade right here and kind of just stay more in the crease, like not blending it out, but are blending it up so much in the crease and into the lid, the outer part of the lid. So we are starting to make some magic happen. It kicks up quite a bit in the pan, but I'm not seeing a lot of fallout on my face, so that's good. Alright, let's see what we do here. You guys know my right eye gives me the most trouble, so it will not be as difficult on the side to get it all over the place. I'll keep that there. Now I'm just tapping it in. Sometimes this technique works a little bit better. Thanks to Miss Trixie for telling me that. It does not show. Okay. So the next shade I'm going to go into is this shimmer shade right here. I'm going to go into that with our finger. You guys know the deal. Ooh. Now use off that orange. That's really orange. Really orange. Aren't you glad I did this? I'm not that funny. I know. I'm not that funny. So, yeah. I'm going to take a little bit of this glitter. See what happens when I pat that on my eye. goes all over my face because I needed the glitter glue. We're just going to put a little bit on now. Oh my. Oh my. Oh God. Glitter glue was needed. Oh well. But I do like it. I do like it quite a lot. Alright, I'm thinking about going into this brownish, orangish shade right here. Kind of like just putting a little bit on the outer part of my eye to define it a little bit better. So we'll see how that looks. Kind of just get some depth to this. This brush I'm using, I think, is an old MAC brush. Is it? Yes, it's an old MAC 227. I've had my MAC brushes for years. Just take care of your stuff. It will last forever. I know it's been 20 years I've had them. Probably should start replacing some of them, but I don't need any more brushes. I just bought more brushes today. Bought the Linda Hallberg brushes because supposedly they're so good. Alright. I'm going to go... Yes, and I have glitter somewhere on me. I can see it. I'm going to go into that orange that we used right here and put that... blow that out under my eye. Sorry, I'm kind of leaning weird. So my back is finally feeling better. I don't know what I did. Whew. Went through it though. The doctor's still convinced it was sciatic nerve. I'm not that convinced now. Alright, so we're really using that to smoke out the under eye. And then we're going to go in with like a tighter, more precise brush. Kind of just get that brown. And you guys know if I could see the names, I'll tell you. I'm going to go in with that brown and just kind of keep that up towards my lashes. I think I'll put a brown eyeliner on. Alright. Let's see what we think. Now, there was no shades in there that I was really... Well, maybe. Let me take that back. Let me try something. Doesn't hurt to try, Susan. It's makeup. It can be changed. So I am going to go and try and go into this light peach again and put it just below my brow. May not work very well, but I'm going to try it. And then in my inner corner, just to kind of even that out. I kind of do like it. I kind of like it. See? If you try something, you might like it. Alright, so let's put some brown eyeliner on. I have the 24/7 Velvet from Urban Decay, and this is in the shade, ooh, Lush. Lush. I'm really just trying to get that on a bit. I'm not trying to make it very, very, very dark, like all the way around my eye, so I keep it on the outer edge. And I try and keep it right between the waterline and the lash, so it helps like intensify that it's smoked out a little bit. And then I do the same thing up the top. Yeah, okay. I am not a fan of the wing, as you guys know. So we're gonna leave it at this. And then we are gonna put some mascara on, and we are gonna be all done. All done. I really do like that palette. Makes me want to buy more. I did buy Baby Got Peach. We'll try that too. But it makes me want to buy more palettes. Aren't you shocked and amazed? Aren't you? Aren't you, aren't you, aren't you? So, what do you think? Like, you guys are like, can you please just not lean so close to the mirror? How about I do this? How I get my... I see a piece of glitter on my face. Big one, too. Nasty glitter. I see another one. See another one. Be all day long with this glitter stuff. Alright, let's find us a little lippy to go with this. And I think I know exactly what I'm gonna do. Let's see how I say that. I'm like searching. Where are you? I really want to do this. Where are you? Can't find you. So this brownish shade right here, this is from Melt. And I have no idea what it's called. And then, uh-oh. No, I went through all the lipsticks. I got 2 huge zippies full of it. Zippy. Alright, so this is a gloss from ABH. And as you can see, it's kind of got a little orangey, pinky tint to it. And just going to put that right here. What do you think? I think that's pretty darn good. I think that's all we're gonna do for today. So, this little Orangey Glad palette. So we tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 9 shades. And for the price point, it's like drugstore price for ColourPop. I would recommend it. Especially if you like oranges, it's a great little palette. So, all right, everybody. We've got lots of filming to do today. Lots of stuff came in the mail. So, we've got some good ones coming up. And I will see you guys soon. I love you guys so, so much. Mwah.